So now today guys, thank you for those who have been subscribing and liking to our videos. Now I think in today's video I'm going to be explaining about what someone can do to be profitable when you're trading volatility indices. You get it? Because I've been getting a lot of texts about people asking me to do this particular video teaching you about how to be profitable in the forex market. So it's a little bit confusing, but if you give it time, I think you can be profitable for a long time. Now, the first thing you must consider when you are trading is you must select out which pairs are you good at. If you find, let me say, if you're trading volatility indexes, now me myself I'm perfect on 75 and 75-1S. Now these two patterns, these two pairs, they do what I want. But you find someone who was trading volatility 50, 10 index, 10-1S, 100 index, 75 index. You find someone is trading over 7 pairs. Now where the problem comes from, if you're trading a lot of pairs, you'll find if this pair makes for you money, you'll find another pair has taken this money. If this pair makes for you money, you'll find another pair has taken this money. Now for you to avoid this, you can even focus on one pair. One pair can make you money. So you focusing on one pair can make you also money. Why? You'll get to know all the moves which can make this pair to move. You'll find that if you're focusing on, let me say 75 index, you'll be perfectly looking for bullish engulfing candles or weak rejection for you to enter your trade. Now that's what I'm trying to explain. That is the number one thing you must consider if you want to be profitable when you're trading these volatility indices. The second thing which you must consider when you are trading these volatility indexes is you have to be patient. You know, traders tend to chase the market, but in the real manner you must be a person who has patience. Now if you find like a trade, you cannot place a trade at that moment. Like if you look at the pattern, it's not yet confirmed, give it time. Give it time. After that pattern has been formed, you can place your trade. Now if you feel like you don't have the perfect entry, don't chase the market. There is a saying which say that wait for the market to come to your side such that you can place a trade. You get it? That is the number 2 factor you must consider if you want to be profitable. Another thing is focus, which is our last point. Focus on your own analysis. Most of you do focus on other people's analysis. Now instead of taking your analysis as your priority, you find yourself focusing on other people's analysis, whereby you are seeing a sell. Someone just comes from nowhere and tell you this pair is gonna sell, but you're seeing a buy. Now you'll be forced to close that trade because someone or the other person is being profitable in that trade. Now you'll be forced to close that trade instead of you focusing on your analysis. So those are the 3 factors I try to outline, because I myself was a victim on those factors, but when I sat down I had to highlight them. Now I'm profitable trading the forex market and making money. So this is FX Dave, your mentors, signing out.